begin to say a few words to the graduating class of 2011. When your parents, students, left Somalia, they didn't know what to expect. They were trying to take on a journey that they did not know where they will end up. Most of these parents didn't know where Columbus, Ohio was. Most of these parents didn't know the word of English, but they struggled. They worked hard to make sure that you have a peaceful life, a prosperous life, an education that will help you, an education that will make you who you are and who you want to be. Your parents, your community, struggled very hard for the past 10, 15 years that they have been in Ohio to put you through schools, to provide you food on the table, to learn English at the same time, and struggle to make ends meet. Without your parents, you and I will not be where we are. So tonight, even though it's about you, the graduate, it's also about your parents. Without your parents, without their support, without their waking up in the morning to prepare you to school, without your mother preparing breakfast for you before you go to school, without your parents taking you to the bus stop, without your parents preparing your textbooks for you, you will not be in school, and you will not succeed in school. So remember, graduates, that this event tonight is both about you and about your parents. We salute you and we salute your parents.
It's a great achievement of us together here today to watch new Somali American generations achieve dreams and strive for a better future for not only themselves but for their community. Once again, I congratulate the class of 2011 and I wish them the best for not only the education, but this community made a milestone, a progress. When we came this time, we came with bare-handed. And today, the Somali community has established viable businesses, and it has created more than 500 businesses ranging from little shop to malls. And we contribute a lot to the city, to the state, and to the county. Yesterday, we were refugees. Today, we are citizens. We were not able to speak the language. We are speaking English, and we are a bilingual society. We did not have the students graduating the college or the university. Today, we have more than 2,000 Somali students graduating, attending the college and university in Ohio. And I see in the future, a bright future to the Somali community to assimilate and to integrate more to the mainstream. We need to continue that, to keep that momentum and continue working hard together.
And I'm just so grateful and so proud of all of you. The Somali Education Association, thank you. Jibril Muhammad of SomaliCAN, you're doing a wonderful job, wonderful. Hassan Omar of Somali Community Associations of Ohio, I want you to know that I'm grateful for our friendship and for all that you are doing for this community and for all of the city of Columbus. Thank you so much. So again, education is the key. You cannot do anything, nothing, without graduating. And once you have graduated, you have created a whole opportunity that you can now take advantage of. Go to college for those who graduate from high school and go get your PhD, JD, or master's if you're graduating from college. I also want to acknowledge Abdi Sofe over here. He works for me. He's part of the New American Initiative that we started in the city of Columbus, trying to help pave the way for so many of our new Americans. And you are new Americans. And I'd like to provide this proclamation to SomaliCAN. Remember the Barack Obama saying, "Yes, we can." Remember that? Yeah. I want to say, start something new. Yes, we SomaliCAN. Thank you. And let's see, this one will go to, I think, Omar. Thank you for all that you're doing. This graduation ceremony is so important. I came last year. I'm back this year. And I'll be back next year and the year after. Because I want to see nothing but success and prosperity in the Somali community. That's what we want to see. Thank you very much. God bless you. All right, one last time. All the graduates, let me see it. Let me see it. Touchdown!
Now it's time for the Presidential Service Awards. They are from the Office of the President of the United States of America. They bear the signature of President Barack Obama.
It has been great honor and pleasure to present to Saeed Ali from the President of the United States of America. The next person to receive this letter is Abdi Karim Ghali. Abdi, come get this for Guadalupe Velasquez. Wow. It sets a great standard for the president.
And before I introduce our next speaker, the Superintendent of Columbus City Schools, Dr. Gene Harris, I want you to give a hand to Mr. Woodard. Ken Woodard is the ESL supervisor, and he's the founder of the Welcome Center. The Welcome Center is Notre Dame, master's degree and PhD from Ohio State. One of the great achievements that Dr. Harris has done since she became the 19th superintendent of Columbus City Schools in 2001, she has increased the graduation rate of Columbus City Schools and the attendance. She has also built, in her leadership, Columbus City Schools has built or renovated 35 schools. And if you know, in our neighborhood, if you look at Linden, Eastern Linden and South Mifflin, those are beautiful buildings, so we're grateful. The next major goal of Dr. Harris is to see 90% graduation in Columbus Public Schools the year 2012. That is great if we get there. We're proud to have Dr. Gene Harris as our superintendent.
Assalamu alaikum. It is wonderful to be here with you, and I join the mayor in congratulating all of the graduates. I want our Somali students to stand up. I don't want you to just do the touch, I want you to stand up. If you are a graduate, I want you to stand up. going to school and graduating and going on to college. Are you listening to me? And going on to college and doing all of those things. And getting your degree, getting your JD, getting your master's, getting your PhD. I want you to stay standing if you're a graduate. One of the best role models that you have in this room right now is the Minister of Education in Somalia, Minister Dr. Abdi Mohammed. Now you can sit down, but you have to listen to me. I've known Minister Abdi for a very long time. He and I were in graduate school together, working on our PhDs. He was one of the best students I ever had the honor to be colleague with. I was a good student, but he was even a better student than I was. And here's what I want to tell you. When I met Minister Abdi, I really didn't know even where Somalia was. After I met him, I looked on the map and saw that it was in East Africa. And I will tell you that you have done incredible things. There are Somali students from Columbus City Schools who have come to our district, and within 2 or 3 years, they have graduated and they've been number 1 or number 2 in their classes. They have been incredible. So I want to say to the little people who are here, because there are some folks who are not graduates who are here, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
Honor and privilege to be here on behalf of the governor. As Jabril said, the governor did meet with a group of Somali leaders here in Central Ohio. He was intrigued, he was fascinated, he learned a lot. He wants to learn more. He asked for a book, one book, to help educate him on Somali culture. So we look forward to working with Jabril on identifying that book for the governor. He is also in anticipation of appointing Somali leaders to boards and commissions. In particular, there's a new one that was created, the new African Immigrants Commission. So as we reach out to the Somali community, hopefully we will have some new appointees on that commission and others in the near future. I'll just read a portion of his letter of congratulations to everyone on behalf.
Hi everybody. I have a book today for my teachers. Most of them are here today. Ms. Masan and Ms. Lisa and everybody. I just have this special poem for them called Thank You Teachers. It wasn't that long ago when I learned the language I'm speaking. It wasn't that long ago when teachers were my friends. There were a lot to share and a lot to learn. Oh God, the classes, the concept, the culture, the language, it was really hard. But hey, again, it was worth it. Today I can stand up in front of you, telling my journey, knowing that you understand what I'm saying. Knowing that you helped me to become me today. All I want to say today out loud is thank you. Thank you, teachers, for your time, your patience, your care, and your kindness. Thank you.
Hi everybody. I'm going to be doing a poem as well. Sorry, I'm kind of nervous. I'm dreaming. Staying high, blaspheming, keep my words unclear, because honestly, y'all can't feel what I feel. When y'all read these words, my lips are sealed, so can you utter what I utter? You feel? I know you feel it emotionally through your eyes, but I feel it with my soul like a knife slicing through butter. Yeah, it's skin deep. It's more than skin deep. I'm a class of 20 living, my mind is never asleep. That's why writing these rhymes like this is like trying to pedal a bike down the hill that's steep. Now I know you're trying to wonder if that makes any sense at all, how it relates to me and my mind sleeping. In that case, Why pedal if you already have the momentum and speed, no friction? So why try to write something deep when you just have poetically connected with life? I'm already sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, 2011 is just another year. I graduated now. I got 6 more years till I become masterly enhanced, fanatically better than romance. My people just hold hands. I quote from a friend. On a scale of 1 to 10, you are 11.